what are the peculiar features that you would find in a parasitic Platyhelminthes? So parasitic organisms are one which depend upon the host for the nutrition. Now here Platyhelminthes are parasitic in nature. Most of them are endoparasites. For example, the tapeworm or the liver fluke. So these organisms are dorso-ventrally flattened. That means the dorsal and the ventral surface of the body is flat and it bears hooks and suckers. These are the hooks and suckers through which it attaches itself to the host body. And since they are endoparasite, they live within the other organism. The Platyhelminthes body is covered by a thick tegument, so which protects them from the action of digestive juices in the host. Now, this tapeworm remains in the intestine of the humans or the host organism. So these digestive enzymes secreted by the host body can cause damage to the tapeworm. So its body is covered by thick tegument. And this tegument also helps in absorbing the nutrients. So the Platyhelminthes have got a primitive digestive system, so it does not have enzymes to digest a substance. Since it is a parasite, it remains inside the digestive system of other organisms. So it has adapted itself to absorb the nutrients from the host body. So through the dorsoventrally flat body structure, it can absorb the nutrients directly. Example involves tapeworm, liver fluke, etc.